Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2004 gearbox toy hauler from Fleetwood, model 260 FB. It's got the front bed, desirable floor plan. Going to kind of break it down for you here. Of course, it's a laminated fiberglass exterior. We can see diamond shield up front, power hitch jack, ladder built right in, compartments on both sides. These are locking compartments, and this one has a little like a little toolbox here that you could put your tie downs or that sort of thing in that you want to keep from getting tangled up. This does have fuel station and generator. Also, the awning, you can see, it looks like it's a little newer than the coach. Fabric looks like it's in pretty good shape. Outside speakers, outside work lights. We also have chrome wheels, tires good, no cracks in the sidewalls. There's a shut off for your fuel station. On the back side here, you can see the rear ramp is in good condition. It's no damage to it. There's a couple bubbles in some of the decals, but no big deal. On this side, we've got our fuel station right here. The fill. Got it plugged in, of course, so we have power. Outside work light here too, and this does have a generator. It's the big one, 5,500 watts, so that'll run just about anything. The other compartment right here, disclosure time. This one we did find some dry rot right here, a soft spot. The other side doesn't have it, but this side does. As far as how that affects the coach out here, you wouldn't even know it. I mean, all of it moves a little bit. Oh, battery disconnect too. We're selling it as is due to the fact that it does have water damage. The rest of it is a shame too, because it's a really nice RV. Go inside, someone has added some blue lights underneath their cabinets. We got a fold-away sofa and the dinette. Up above here, it has some of these walkie-talkies and a charger, a CB radio. You can turn your outside speakers to inside, and by the way, this does have some big speakers, 4 of them in here. Also has a fantastic fan on the ceiling. Looks like a big bass speaker on the ceiling. Ducted air conditioning. The rear bed, it's a queen. It's not power, it's manual. You do have to pick it up. The rear ramp's got a non-skid finish and it's in good shape. Tie downs on the floor all over so you can secure your load. Our kitchen area here, we got silverware drawers, the oven, 3-burner stove, even have a diamond shield around the stove. Got the microwave, cabinetry, some indirect lights. Our refrigerator, freezer combination, it's a Dometic. Pretty big one, looks like about 8 cubic foot. And pantry storage here on the side. I like those pull-out trays. Then we've got our double sink underneath. There's more storage, pots and pan storage. Lots of storage in this thing. That's the thing, if you go on a trip, especially when you're going riding, you take all that gear, it's nice to have room to put all this stuff. Up front, our sink. Turn on the light here. We got our sink, vanity mirror. Another side, got the toilet, shower stall, and linen storage with the power vent and skylight, and our bed. It's a memory foam mattress, queen size, and we got a DVD player with a flat panel TV up there. More cabinets back here as well. In fact, the whole thing is lined with cabinets. And of course, we got a couple windows as well as drink holders. It's a 2004 Fleetwood gearbox, and it's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.